Justin with Lucky SOB Garage again. This time, I'm already a little bit farther than what you've last seen. I got it squared up side to side, in front, back. I got it at the right height, front and back, and I've tacked all four corners. So now it's actually together, or it's in place so it won't fall out of square. So now I can start welding everything together. So that's where we're starting here. That took me probably about 2 hours. I'm now in the middle on whether or not I want to actually proceed with that right now, or whether or not I want to cut up these new fenders I grabbed and start modifying the fenders to fit, because now that it's square, I can make my fenders and I should be good. So there's that idea. So let me show you that first, and then I'll probably go back and forth for the next 10 minutes. So, need to cut out a little piece to hold my cab square side to side. So, I've already measured it out. I've already figured out what it's going to be down an angle. So, now we're just cutting. And I thought I had my grinder plugged in. What am I, new? God damn it. I'll go highest point to there. We'll call it 11 inches. And we'll go from deepest spot to farthest spot. Call it 3 3/4. Alright, we'll just cut a big piece there. Mark it while it's sitting. Clean all this. Push it on, clean this, start tacking it all together. Shit. Lucky SOB Garage. It's been probably about 3 weeks since I've even recorded the first bit of this video. Snow, family, life, all that gets in the way. So far, I've got the cab tacked and like started to weld it in all 4 corners. And I really would like to get the fenders at least designed, like cut them up, get them put together to see how it's gonna look, so I know it's not gonna be super funky. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna start cutting them up and tack them in position and anchor one on so that I can actually see how it's gonna look. And then that's gonna end this video. It's gonna be like 8 minutes. So like, you're welcome. Thanks for watching. Actually, I have more. I ordered what I'm going to use for a clutch pedal. Never thought I would be able to afford to have nice parts. So there's actually a pedal part that you put your foot on in there. It's in that bag right there. But yeah, so I'm gonna finagle this up in there, put it over by those ones, and then I'm gonna start installing the master cylinder, and actually should be essentially mobile. Well, I have to do driveline still, but other than that, it would be mobile. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, moving on. Boop. Pedal. The 3rd pedal. How luxurious. Okey chokey. Just in case the tape burns off, pulls off, comes off, whatever. Do a nice little mark. Oh, there's a bitch. Okay. Okey chokey. Ow, sharp. farther here. Tacked it together. Now test fitted, it fits perfect. So I think that's my plan. It's still a little bit off. Well, so that seems weird anyway, but it's pulling away. I need to hammer and dolly these the best I can so that it'll straighten out. But that's where we're at. Let's see if I can get back far enough to actually. There we go. So it's about a 6-inch stretch over the distance of the fender. But I'm loving the look. It's gonna look awesome when it's done. It fits like perfectly in the wheel well. Alright, well, that's all I've got. I know, it's not a lot. I know, I suck at welding. I know, I take a long time to do stuff. I know.
It's stupid. Why would you do that to a truck?
It was a good Chevy. Why'd you ruin the Chevy? Why'd you kill a good Ford? That was a Panther, baby. There's always something. Always somebody that wants to say something. Alright. Anyway, that's all I've got. I do have the pedal that I'm debating on whether or not to put it in like tomorrow and see how it fits. But I am waiting for my clutch master and everything to show up tomorrow as well. So, if I do that, that's a tomorrow job. Also, as long as it doesn't snow, flood, all that stuff, I should be back to trying to put out a video once a week. I may not be the best, but damn it, I'm trying. Anyway, that's all I got. Justin, lucky SOB, on his way out. Hope you guys have a good weekend. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Would much appreciate it. Go ahead and shoot a comment. Try and talk as much smack about me that I do, but understand that I am my own worst critic. And with that, the lights are out, and I bid you adieu.